Good morning! Sa araw na ito, gusto namin i-share sa iyo ang work-from-home business opportunity na hatid ni We Provide, na kung saan ito'y nakatulong na sa libo-libong mamamayan, from their ordinary life patungo sa magandang buhay. Your dreams and our great system is a perfect combination para magkaroon tayo ng successful partnership dito sa We Provide. Ikaw ba isang OFW, housewife, solo parent, estudyante, o empleyado na gustong magkaroon ng additional income na di nalalabas ng iyong tahanan? Yes! Tama po ang iyong narinig. This is a work-from-home business opportunity na ginagamit ng 100% online marketing strategy or e-commerce. We invite you to please watch this video as we describe our company profile, product that we offer, and of course, our business plan. We Provide started last October 19, 2020, founded by our chairman, Mr. Anthony Nang, who is the owner of SM Bonus Meat Products. He is a business partner of Henry C. for the past 20 years. And our president, Ms. Celeste Reyes, who also owned the #1 financial brokerage in the Philippines. They're a self-made billionaire, business tycoons who wants to help many people to have a better life, especially during the times of pandemic. Our main office is located at number 35 Wilson Street, Green Hills, San Juan City, Metro Manila. Our company is registered in SEC with complete business permits. Lahat ng product natin are all FDA approved and halal approved. Each of the product that we have has a certificate of product registration. In short period of time, our company expanded in almost 20 countries, over 50 business centers nationwide, and thousands of people who earn using our online marketing system worldwide. Dahil sa makabagong pamamaraan ng pagnenegosyo, gamit lang ang iyong cellphone, internet, at epektibong mga produkto, madami ng mga buhay ng mga tao ang nabago. Amazing, di ba? Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na at pagtulungan natin abutin ang iyong mga pangarap. Rise and shine, We Provide!